Welcome to my channel. Let's make this drop-in buns. You can call it golden buns or French buns. Let's start. I'm teaching my students in the church. Here we have 500 grams of flour, 2 eggs, margarine, 125 gram, nutmeg. Please don't use this. If you can get the seed one, it's better, well preferred than this. Vanilla flavor, salt, milk, sugar, baking powder, and your water. Yes, like I said, go for the seed nutmeg. Is better. It has a better aroma than this powdered one. So measure out 1.5 cup of water, add to your milk. This is half cup of milk, and stir very well and set it aside. In a clean bowl, add your 125 grams of margarine. Yes, 125 grams of margarine. You can use butter. Cream a little and you add in your sugar. Cream it as if you are about to prepare your cake. Yes, take your time to do this. Cream it, let it look fluffy and light before you start adding all the rest of the ingredients. Measure in 6 tablespoons of sugar to it, and you continue creaming. Crack your egg. You can do this one after the other if you're not sure of the eggs, how fresh they are. And you use your egg whisk spoon or fork to whisk it a little, and you add your vanilla flavor, half tablespoon of vanilla flavor to it, and you set aside. Right inside your well-sieved flour, measure in half tablespoon of baking powder to your sieved flour. Right now, you pour in your well-whisked egg into the margarine and sugar mixture. Stir a little and you start adding your flour. When it's looking thick, you start adding your milk. Add a little at a time till you incorporate all the ingredients. Lastly, you add in your nutmeg, just a little, and you incorporate everything very well. Set your pan on the heat and you add your vegetable oil. Don't forget, this buns is for deep frying. Yes, you're going to deep fry. So you need, if you don't have a deep pan, go for your pot. Take your pot and add the oil. You can see my deep pan I'll be using for the frying. So allow it to get hot before you start adding little at a time to check if the oil is ready. When the oil is ready, your buns will go up the oil. Right here, I'm checking if the oil is ready. So you can see the oil is ready. That's why it's floating on the oil, on the top of the oil. So I'll continue molding. I mold it like I called it before, dropping buns. This is so easy and yummy. You can make for your family this a holiday. So feel free to enjoy. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. I cook, I bake, I do different pastries I know you will love so much. So feel free to check back on my video and join this lovely family only by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newest video. Subscription is free just for you to be getting alert of my new video. If I post new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for coming back again. You have to fry this buns till you have that golden pure brown, looking beautiful. You can see the first two we added is looking brown already, so I'm taking them out. Right now our buns are ready. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for the next video coming up. Thanks a million for watching. Look at our beautiful dropping buns, golden buns or French buns. Thanks for watching. Bye.